Hi, I am Kiaan Sawant and I am going to make an ECOBRICK.
So, what is ECOBRICK? ECOBRICK is a plastic bottle which has been packed tight with plastic rubbish such as food wrappers and plastic bag to create a building block.
So what you need is one 2-liter bottle and a bunch of plastic, which is enough to fill this bottle. So
You can put plastic bags, plastic packaging, styrofoam, cellophane and straws into the ECOBRICK. But you cannot put in glass, metal, paper or other biodegradable materials.
as you can see, I am putting this plastic inside this bottle here. Yeah, and it is inside, and then with this stick I will push it more inside. It needs to be very compact and compressed. Yeah, so my ECOBRICK is ready. I put my name on it here. I'm going to give it to the school who's going to give it to the ECOBRICK park.
Even you can make one and donate it to school. Let us all join hands to celebrate a plastic pollution-free India by transforming waste plastic into a super material.